everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in my bathroom, sorry for the echo, but today I want to be showing you how I want to install my newly purchased toothbrush holder, and I want to unbox it with you, install it with you. But first things first, I need to comb my hair, so let me do that and then we can get into the toothbrush holder installation. It's been so long since I had a chance to comb my hair like this. It feels so relaxing. So I have my little cabana there. What I want to do now is, this is my package, the one I got from Jumia. I know you guys remember when we bought this off Jumia. Jumia is an online marketplace in Africa. There are several countries, and major countries include Nigeria, and then there's Kenya. So I am in Kenya, and this is what I got from Jumia. It's a toothbrush holder. So I have my scissors here. I brought everything that I would need so that I don't have to go back and forth. We're not wasting time. So we'll open it together. I hope it doesn't leave things like screws. Let me show you a photo of how this toothbrush holder had been displayed on Jumia, and tell me if I got what I ordered. So we have this, and I think this is a toothbrush thing, which is good because the way it has been set up, I don't think it will give me trouble while you're able to see. Yeah, that toothbrush area where you put the toothpaste, not toothbrush, toothpaste. And then you have these little stoppers for holding the toothbrush, I guess. I have 1, 2, and 4. There are 4 of them. So, and then there is these. I think these are for sticking on the wall. And these as well. Alright, so now, where to put it? I was thinking of putting it here, right next to the mirror, so that when you're brushing, most of the time people like to see themselves when they are brushing their teeth. So that's where I'm going to put it. If I would have put it this side, then there's interference with the shower, and I'm also planning to put a shower curtain over here on this other side. You will see, I'll show you. So, how about here? No, there's a lot of traffic here already because of tunnels. Let me just put it here. I'm going to put it up high. Yeah, I think so. Or here. I need easy access. I think this tile will work. So let me see. And let me pull you guys. I'll not leave you there, hanging by yourself. I'll bring you right here. Okay, so this is what you're working with. I have my, remember my bathing ball? I still use it. So it's in my way. I need to put it away. I still use it for my workout. Alright, so this is what you are working with, because I can pick. Anyway, so there is no manual for this thing. I don't have a manual. I don't know how I'm going to install these things. I have these little glasses. I would have checked my phone, but now I'm using my phone to record. Very soon we're going to buy a camera for vlogging, and I hope that is a dream that can come to life. I love these little glasses. They're so cute. Just look, and there are 4 of them. So cute. So I think one is meant, they are meant for water when you're doing your teeth brushing. So I don't know. I have to bring another phone so that I can check how I'm supposed to put this. Let me see. Should this go there? Oh, okay, so that goes there. I have no idea. Or should it be like this? It can't be like this because, let me find out. Let me find out so that we can continue with this. How to install it. Maybe there's some instructions on the box. wipe it. I have some tissue. That's what I'll use. Okay, so we have our, gonna use this one, I won't touch it. It's wiped, it's clean. So the next thing is the sticker. This one. So we need to stick it. And how do you do that? Like this? Okay. Have to be very careful. How do I do this? So it should be like this. So I have to make sure it's very proportional. Something bad. And then the next thing is to peel. Remove that layer that has. Great. You see, for those of you who love ASMR stuff. Now we go here. Step one is done. Right, so what's the next thing? So we need to pick this and place it. Oh, I see. So this is what goes here. So let me just say something. When you're putting this on your wall, make sure you press to make sure that there are no bubbles inside. This will ensure that it doesn't peel off, and then one day you come to your bathroom and find all your toothbrushes on the floor. Not a good sight. So make sure it is sticking really well. No bubbles. Like as you can see, I was using just my fingers to push the bubbles out, but you can use anything that seems to work for you to make sure that you don't have bubbles. That this thingy, this sticker thing is sticking completely on the wall. So the next thing is to place this. I wish I could read Chinese. But yeah, so this is it. I hope this is how it goes in. Okay. Gosh. And then we have these. I don't have a toothbrush. I hope. Okay, so I'll put two like this and two the other way. I don't know, come on. That's how I'll keep them, because I don't want the grey one. I'll need color in this bathroom. I'll put the dull ones. Oopsie, cup gotta be washed. But we'll see. We'll have to see how it looks. Okay, and the toothbrush. So it turns out you don't actually have to, you have to put these stoppers, the ones that are holding the cups, you have to put them in tightly. Alright, so I love how it's coming out. And then whatever is remaining is this one for the toothpaste. And I already have my toothpaste here, my favorite toothpaste. And I have some more toothbrushes, let me put them in. Wonderful, can even match the colors. Pretty cool. If you're a matchy type of person, I love this, I love it. So the next thing is the toothpaste thing. This is a thing that has always given me a headache when it comes to toothbrush holders, because I've never figured out, and I see the other toothbrush holders working. I don't know why mine never works. Remember the other two that I bought? The one that I put in the kids' bathroom, it's just there for show. Let me be honest. It's just there for show. I don't know what to do with. I don't know how I'm supposed to put it. Is it gently? Because come on. How am I supposed to put this thing inside? So it ends up doing this. I will figure this out later. If you know, comment down below what I'm supposed to do so that I can do it in the right way, you know. I don't want to make another mess with this. Because I feel like I'm just squeezing toothpaste into the thing. Then I think there is some level of physics that should be working here. And it is not working. It is not doing what it is supposed to be. Or is there a special toothpaste tube that I need to be using for this? Because nimesqueeze, nimefinyilia, imeingia kidogo. So I think that's as far as it goes. Alright. I'll keep it like that. I don't know. Let me finish up quickly. At least when we have everything on the wall, things will be easier. So here's the sticker for the toothpaste. Remember the drill? You peel, you stick on the wall. I'm going to put it here. Okay, so. I feel like I'm in a blender. I should have just put it right next here, but I'm gonna leave it there. My mess. And then ningeweka hapa. Anyway, so that's it. That's everything. I love how it's looking. So that's the final look. I love the little glasses that act as also protective layers because you want your toothbrush protected from spills and things like that. So forgive me guys, I should have put this here, but I'll work it out. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.